Okay, 2.4, write equations from lines. Yesterday you graphed them. Today you're going to write the equations. Okay? Slope-intercept form. Okay, is y equals mx plus b? Yes?
Yes, Captain.
What is m?
Y.
M is the slope.
Bum.
And b is the y-intercept. Hence the name slope-intercept form. Okay, that's where it gets the name from.
You should come to class prepared. I'm cool. Tell your mom.
Okay, so you are going to write an equation of this line.
Yeah, okay.
Better if you grab paper on you now.
Do we have to draw the graph?
Well, that's up to you, but if you want to make a sketch of it. So if we're going to write an equation of this line in slope-intercept form, so y equals mx plus b, we need the y-intercept and the slope.
-2.
-2 is what?
The y-intercept.
Okay, so b equals -2. That is the y-intercept.
And the slope is
Up
3 over
to
4.
So the slope is up 1, 2, 3,
Over 3.
and over
4.
4.
What?
Like I said.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I meant
Oh, I
to.
see that fourth one.
Okay, so M is up 3 and right 4. If it was in a negative direction, one of those would be negative.
The opposite direction.
So now that I have the slope and the y-intercept, can I just plug it in?
Yes.
So if y equals 3/4. Okay, Gerhard, I need you to stop. I didn't ask a question. I asked you yesterday to stop doing that. Okay, so from a graph, you can get the y-intercept and the slope, yes? I can also tell you that the slope, they legitimately just say m equals -2 and b equals -4. Write the equation, all on your own.
No.
Mason, what do you need?
Whatever. Wait, which one's Y and which one's X?
Figure it out.
No, y equals mx plus b.
Yeah.
Henry, what's the equation? Y equals what?
Y equals -2 over 1x minus 4.
Okay, -2x minus 4. Henry put his -2 over 1. Is that okay to do? Yes, but you don't have to. Okay. So what form of an equation was this?
Slope intercept.
Slope-intercept form. Right here. Now there is also a form, it's called point slope form. Point slope form uses a guess what? A point and a slope. So it is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x 1. So your point is your x1, comma, y1. And your slope is what? M? Okay? So when I'm filling this in, I fill in y1, m, and x1. I do not fill in an x and a y. I don't. Okay, so what's this for is when I'm given a guess what? A point and a slope. So if I tell you, the slope is -3 and the line goes through 5, 4. So I don't have enough to do slope-intercept form, do I? Do I have the intercept?
Yeah.
No. But do I have a point and a slope? So I can use this form. So I just plug it in there. So this is x1, this is y1. So y is y. So y minus, what's y1?
4,
4 equals m,
3.
-3, parenthesis, x minus x1, 5. So now I just have to simplify this. So I have to distribute the -3. So y minus 4 equals -3x plus 15. And then add my 4. And I have y equals -3x plus 15.
19.
Oh, 19. Thank you. I didn't add. Now this equation started off in point slope, right?
Yeah.
But it ended in what? Slope intercept. So we use point slope to get to slope intercept. I use point slope, I can't talk, a lot. Because you're not always given the y-intercept, and I don't want to calculate it. Yes?
So when say the y1 was negative, would it be a plus?
Mm-hmm. Yes, if these were negatives, then both of your minuses, your subtraction signs would be addition signs. Other questions?
I was doing quite.
Okay, next example. I want a line. I'm checking because I don't want to go further than I need to today.
I think we just stopped there.
You gave us enough to do.
Well, you're going to do parallel and perpendicular tomorrow. So I'm going to do one more of these with you, and then we'll let you go. The slope is 4. So m equals 4. And the point it goes through is -1, 6. So you're going to plug it in to here. See if you guys can do that. Good. You're supposed to be trying to do it yourself.
I am.
Onto paper.
Yeah, that's more challenging, you know? Too easy.
Did you get y equals 4x plus 10?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I
got plus 2.
Minus 10.
Okay. The equation is minus
Ooh,
x, yes? So when you have a negative, it becomes a
positive.
positive. But how did you get minus 10? Because you should have added your 6 over.
It's because of the other negative.
What other negative?
I put y plus 6.
Oh, you put the negative in the wrong place.
Miss Nick,
What?
I got a question on this. How would you do it if the n is 0?
If the m was 0?
You have a question like that on this line.
Okay, well, if the m was 0, what would happen to this whole thing?
It'd all be 0, right?
Okay,
So
this would 0 out, so
So
then
it'd
you'd
be
have
y
y
equals
minus
plus
6.
It'd be
Mhm.
y plus 6.
So it'd be y equals 6.
Okay, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure.
Yeah, just plug it in and just follow the math that happens, okay? So your assignment is 4 through 16. When it says to use, when it gives you a point and a slope, guess what you guys should be using?
Y-intercept
The
form.
point slope.
Shut up, Brian.
No,